BingX is accessible to Australian users, and many traders in Australia use it for spot trading, futures, and copy trading. The platform does not fully block Australian IP addresses, so users can generally sign up, trade, and access most of its features without major restrictions. However, there are some important considerations to keep in mind. BingX is not officially registered with AUSTRAC, Australia's financial regulator, meaning it is not a locally licensed Australian crypto exchange. Instead, it operates as an offshore platform in the Australian market. Because of this, users should be aware of certain risks. You will not receive the same level of regulatory protection as you would with an Australia-licensed exchange. In addition, some payment methods, such as direct AUD deposits, may be limited or unavailable, and users often need to rely on crypto transfers like USDT or Bitcoin to fund their accounts. On the positive side, many Australian traders still prefer BingX because it offers advanced features such as futures and margin trading, along with copy trading that is especially useful for beginners. It also has relatively competitive fees compared to local exchanges and supports a wide range of altcoins that are not always available on Australian platforms. Overall, BingX is usable in Australia, but it is best suited for users who understand the risks of using an offshore exchange and are comfortable trading without local regulatory protection.